Okay, so this is the electronic piano, and if you notice, it has a lot of different piano functions. So it's almost like a mini version for a kid's piano, but with almost all the functions that you would find like really big pianos. So it's not exactly the same sound quality, but it's still like a very good thing to learn. It's for kids 3+, and it helps you teach your kids a lot of piano interactions, and it also the lights and stuff like that to attract them. There is music and a lot of different options, right? The box itself is very attractive to my daughter. She was just pulling it, a lot of lights and colors. So I'm going to unbox it and then I'm going to show you next. So let me unbox it, right? I have removed the sellotape already, so now I'm just going to remove it from the box. And you can see it's like very packed, so there is no chance of it getting hurt during the shipping or anything. You don't need to return it or anything because of damage. Okay? And you can see this is the piano and this is the manual. So now next I'm going to show you all the functions of the piano. Okay, so now in the back you need to put 3 AA batteries, and they are protected by a cover which has a screw which I just removed. So I'm going to put the 3 batteries in now. Okay, so I have connected the battery and I have turned it off for now, and I'm going to put the cover in with the no. Okay, and you can see it locked itself in, and now I'm going to put the screw inside. Okay, now my daughter will come and she will get a chance to play. Come here please, come here. Okay, and play with it. Press the buttons please. Okay, let me show you some features, right? This is volume increase and decrease keys, and this is to increase and decrease the rhythm. Now, by default, you can see you have 24 piano scale keys, right? So this is piano music, right? Now, I can change this music to play like an accordion. I'm like playing like an accordion, right? It's like a violin, trumpet, and this is like a mandolin, and like a phone ringtone. So it's just piano's voice in different tones, right? Yeah, very good. Now you also have a demo and songs key. What this might mean is when you press the demo, it will play the demo song, right? There are 8 demo songs in it. If you play the song key, then it will continuously play all the songs one after another. And let's say I want to switch to the next demo song. I press again. And it will continue to play this song, the 8 songs. Okay, so those are some of the features I wanted to quickly show you. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the recording mode, right? This is really fun. So you can see I have pressed the recording mode, and now I'm going to play my recording. So it basically records it, right? You also have drum keys, right? Now I can change the drum keys by pressing the mode key here. You can see this one is like a symbol of like a sort when I press the mode key. So these 4 drum keys are interchangeable with different drum sounds. Next, there's also background music, like this is down tempo. This is rock and roll. This is disco music. And this is waltz music. And while this is playing in the background, you can obviously play the piano. So let me show you. So basically you get the tempo of a drum or like playing while you are playing your piano. There is also obviously the samba, and then there is also blues. Okay, so those are some of the main features, right? There is also a chaos piano here. What that means is no matter what keys you play, it will play the nice tune. So even though you're not playing it, it feels like you're playing it, right? So it will basically play the right music every time you press the keys. So let me press chaos piano again. So if I play it in the right tempo, it will basically play the real nice music automatically. And this obviously the center button is the pause button. No matter what, if let's say I'm playing the demo song, right? By pressing the demo, it will stop the current mode and bring it back to default. So lots of different options. It actually looks like a piano, and with the lights and stuff, it will really attract kids and get them to play. See how it looks in darkness, right? So now let's play disco music. So this is how it looks in darkness. Virti, can you please play the piano for us? Come here. Okay, now the piano maestro is going to play. Play. We play carefully and slowly. Very good. 15 months old. Please play the songs. Yep, you can stop it. Let's record whatever music you are playing now, right? Recording. Can you play some music? Okay, can you press the demo? Can you press the symbol? Here are all the lights that are coming up when you're playing the music, right? So nice. Can you press the buttons here? Can you press this button? Dance! One little finger. 2 fingers of dance. The finger dance. Yeah, very good. Okay, alright, really great piano with a lot of different features, and you can make a lot of music, record it and play it again, right? So great fun for toys. Definitely recommend it. Okay, thank you.